Hi, boys and girls. We are doing more review of our short vowels from the last 7 lessons that we've been doing. So this day we're going to be focusing on our and word family. So the first thing you need to do is get a crayon, and it doesn't matter what color. And we're going to be looking for words that have an or an. So in these words at the top, I can see that the first word is can, so I'm going to color that one because that is in the word family. The next one is ran and then van. So in the top row, I only skipped one. Let's look down at the next row. We would not do jug, but we would do man because that's in the and word family. I would skip pit and go to tan. Then I would do ban, skip tub, and do ban and fan. Good. So now we're going to take our pencil and we're going to copy our spelling words on these lines right here. So let's start with this one, which is man, and let's write it in our very best handwriting. The next one is ban, can. Number 4 would be fan. Number 5 is ran. Number 6 is tan. Number 7, van. And number 8 is pan. So looking down below at our word family, we're going to try and match the words into boxes that match the shapes. So the first one is tan, which starts with a tall letter and has 2 regular letters. So we could either put it here or here. It doesn't matter which one. And cross it off. The next one is man. So we're going to put man right here. Cross it off. Our next word is pan, and pan can go right here. We have 2 more. It looks like one that has a tall letter and then one that has a regular letter. So we have fan, and the last one is can. Nice job, boys and girls. So this is a review of the and word family. These are really common words that we see a lot in our reading and that we want to write also. So go ahead and write your name at the top, turn it into the basket, and start on your Lexia.